Okay, Andhwak BJP supporters will hate me for saying this. In 2014, PM Narendra Modi launched a scheme, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Then in 2021, when in the parliament its report was being published, then we got to know that the total amount that was being spent in the scheme was 446 crores in the period of 2016 to 2019. Now, out of this 446 crores, 79% of the money, that is 352 crores, was being used in just publishing the scheme, in advertising, in doing the PR, in just showing off that we have launched this scheme. Putting banners, posters on the walls, on school buses, roads, footpaths, and now this money they were supposed to use in establishing the scheme. Now establishing doesn't mean that just doing showing off and doing advertisement, doing PR. Establishing doesn't mean that. Okay, little bit of advertisement, PR is okay, little bit is okay, but 79% of the whole amount was just used in doing the PR, advertisement, showing off. And now the money that they used in improving security for girls, safety for girls, CCTV cameras, improving police forces was just 21% of the entire amount, that is just 94 crores. The 352 crores, that is 79% of the entire amount, that was not their own money or their generational wealth or the wealth of their father or grandfather. It was taken by us normal people. It was taken by people like us, normal people, through taxes, through various type of taxes. And because of this stupidity, in just 2 years, 2019 to 2021, more than 13 lakh girls were being lost. And this data is given by government itself in the parliament. And according to the official data report of NCRB, from 2014 to 2022, more than 3,50,000 girls were being raped. Now this is just the data of the NCRB report. The real data, the real number can be a lot more than this. The reality can be a lot more than this. Now by this you can understand that why the rate of girls being raped and being lost is so much, because the money that they were supposed to use in improvement of girls' education and safety, the government, the PM Modi, used in their own publicity, showing off in their own PR, in showing off that they are doing so much where they did nothing. This shows the reality of our government and PM Modi.